Good morning, my little champs. It's me, your teacher, Miss Harim from DPS Nursery KG Wing Model Town. Hope you all are fine and you all are feeling good and energetic. So let's start with our lesson. Okay, my little ones, here we do the first activity. Kids, think of a monster who eats a lot. And what happened? Today he saw a plate full of cookies. There were big cookies, yummy cookies. He rushed towards them. There were 4 cookies and he started eating. But the rest of 2 he don't like. So he ate 4 cookies. My little ones, what do you think? Number 4 is more or number 2 is more? Good job. You think the best. Number 4 is more. Here we will do another activity. Hope you all will enjoy it. If I clap for 3 times, is less? Or if I clap for 5 times, is that less? Think over it. Yes, 3 is less. You guessed the best. Now think for another activity. If I clap for 2 times upward and if I clap for 2 times downward, are both the numbers equal to each other? Is 2 is more than 2 or 2 is less than 2? What do you think? It makes any sense? No, then what do you think? 2 claps is equal to 2 claps. Yes, you are right. Good job. Hey little learners, take out your math countdown book, page 4, and let's explore together. Okay, can you see the first table? It has a white plate and there are so many cookies in it. Now let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cookies are there in a plate? There are 7 cookies in the plate. Now let's see the next table. Okay, and let's see a plate in which there are how many cookies? There are 1, 2, 3 cookies. So can you count with me from 1 to 7? Let's see which number comes before. The number which comes before is less. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the less number. Okay, so we have less number of cookies in this table. Okay, then we add more cookies into it. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 comes after. So it has more cookies. Now let's see over here. We have 2 plates over here. In one plate, how many cookies are there? Can you count with me? Okay, superb. You can count with me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies are there in this plate. And how many cookies are there in this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. They both are same. They both are equal. Okay, my little learners, let's see what's over there. Okay, in this we have to circle the popcorn bucket that has more popcorns. Can you see the first bucket? Yes, it has more popcorns, but it is not full of popcorns. This bucket is not full of popcorns. Let's see the next bucket. Oh my god, the popcorns are popping out. It is full of popcorns. And let's see the last bucket. It has popcorn, but they are lesser than the other ones. So we have to circle the bucket which has more popcorns. So hold up your pencils and draw a circle. Come on, I know you can do it. Now drag it. Okay, fine. Yes, you can do it and make a circle. Hope you all have done it well. And rest of the work you have to do by yourself independently. Best of luck. Thank you.